Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to write a peer review and to help you understand the importance of a peer review, to also show you how to write a self-review, and to explain to you the importance of us establishing a community, collaborative community of online learners. So the first thing you're going to do to write a peer review is to go into Turnitin.com on your course content page. It's taking a while to load here. Here it comes. And down here at the bottom it says Rough Draft Essay 1, Peer Mark Assignment 1, and that's the assignment that you want to complete by Saturday night at 11:59. Over here you have two choices, one to write review, and we're going to go in and do that. And once Saturday night 11:59 has passed, then you can go in and read the reviews, and you can read the commentary that your peer gave and made suggestions about your paper to help you write better. So let's go in and write reviews. And what you see here is essay topic number 1 or the self-review. I'd like you to complete both. Your essay topic number 1 will say get started. I've already gone in, I've answered one question, and then I saved it to show you that, and I'll show you how to do this, but you do not have to do this all in one sitting. You can start your peer review, be very, very sure to save it, X out of it, and then you can go back to it to complete, just like we are about to here. And then when you go to write your self-review, you can get started and do the same thing that way. So let's go to the peer review. It's being loaded by our Turnitin.com. And here I have been partnered with Amanda by Turnitin.com, so it is her paper that I will be evaluating. And right here on the right are your guided strategies. These are questions based on the lessons on writing you've had this week, and it's your job to give feedback to the writer. For example, does the paper have a thesis around which the paper is organized, and what is it? And remember that you have a 10-word minimum. Turnitin will count your words, and it will not count this as a completed question if you don't have at least 10 words for feedback in this little box. So this is a good question for feedback, because what you think is your thesis, you the writer, might not be what your peer or your audience sees as the thesis. And so you might want to be clearer or write a better blueprint thesis, and you can use that feedback to your advantage. And so you answer questions 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Most of them are 10-word minimums. Number 6 is a 7-word minimum. And then at the very end I have a rating on a scale. So I rated Amanda's paper a 5, well developed and clear. And once you've done that, you can go up to the top on your left and see, oh, I've answered one question, so my progress is 14% completed. You must save your answer over here on the right. Save your answer before you get out of this exercise, so that you can get back in. If you don't save it, all your work will be lost, and we don't want to do that. Once you've answered all your questions with 10-word minimums and answered your scale question, this should say, your progress over here should say 100% complete. Save it again just to be sure, and then and only then submit it. Now, I want to speak about this peer review to you, because here is where I begin to build a collaborative community of learners in my online class. Collaboration is an important part of the learning process, and it is very, very essential that you understand that being sociocentric, not egocentric, sociocentric in a learning community is helping each other. You here with this exercise will be helping each other become better writers, and that's a good thing. And then with the self-review, you're going to take a look, once you're cold from the writing process, with a vantage point of an evaluator, and take a look at your own writing and see, maybe I need to fix this, maybe I need to fix that. So this double review will really help you when it comes to after Saturday night at 11:59, when you're going to begin the revision process. So from Saturday night post 11:59 to Tuesday night before pre 11:59, You will have that time to do your revisions and then post your final draft as SA1/revision, and that's worth 100 points. I really hope you spend some time helping each other become better writers, because as far as I'm concerned, that's what it's all about. Email me if you have any questions, and good luck with your peer and self reviews.